doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour life.
Okay, room tour of Resort World Las Vegas, the Conrad Tower, room 56228. Okay, we're very impressed. We've just arrived. We're only here for 2 nights. Come in here. Let's just the bathroom first. It's massive. So we've got double vanity sinks here, hair dryer under there, towels. We've got some hand wash and body lotion. Some green tea in there, glasses, nice big shower. It's massive. Got a rainfall one up there, another there. We've got some shampoos and conditioner and body wash, and a little seat in there. And over this side, you have got the separate toilet area, which is always nice. Nice vanity mirror there. Come out here, or see adjoining door there, big light wardrobe, beautiful, open so nicely, light comes on, ironing board, no robes, this is somewhere to store your cases, which we've unpacked, big mirror there, our cases are there at the moment. This side here, you've got, obviously they're doing your touchies, glasses and an ice bucket. We've got the fridge, which we might touch, and then we've got our own little fridge in there. Just stick some things in. Nice shelves here, obviously somewhere else to put your cases. Massive telly, which we've already looked, and it's got like you can pair your phone to it, etc., which is always nice. We've got some drawers here. This one here has got a safe that lifts up, so there's a lot plenty of space actually. Then you've got your bed. This is called a premium strip view room. So nice big bed. You've got a really comfortable little sofa on the bottom there. Incredibly comfy. I just sat on that. This side, this is a nice touch. You don't often see this. You've got actually phone charging on the top there, plus some USBs on the front, some more USBs there, or I think USB-C. Nice lamp. Bedside. There, huge, nice bit of artwork. This side, you've got the phone, another plug there, some USBs, your aircon unit in there. I mean, I don't know if you can appreciate the size. It's just come from New York, which are obviously big loft-size rooms, and we were in the suite there, and this seems as big, I think. You've got a table and chairs here, which with the view, I think would be a lovely place to sit and have our breakfast in the morning. You've got a lamp there, small artwork, and then the view. I'm very impressed. These windows, massive. And then it's got a sink that we can see the sphere, unfortunately, because I think it's hiding there behind the wind. You've got the wind golf course over there. Cloudy, it's the first clouds we've seen, but it's hotter, it's a bit more humid. So yeah, you've got Treasure Island. You can just about see that one's that's been built. So yeah, Conrad Tower in Resort World. Oh, what I haven't shown you is down here. So we're on the 56 floors, which is very high. We'll be going and checking those out later.